In today's video, I will walk you through how to add scripts in MetaTrader 5. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. Once the platform finishes loading, you should see your main chart area along with the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll access the scripts section. Move your cursor to the top of the platform and click on the Insert menu. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see several different options available. From this menu, look for the option labeled Scripts. Click on it or hover over it to display the list of scripts that are currently available on your MetaTrader 5 platform. After opening the Scripts section, you'll see all of the scripts that are installed. Browse through the list and find the script you want to use. Once you've found it, click on the script name to continue. As soon as you select a script, MetaTrader 5 will usually display a settings window. This window allows you to review the script's available parameters before it runs. Depending on the script you've selected, you may see different input fields. Review the settings shown on the screen and make any changes if needed. If you do not need to change anything, you can simply leave the settings as they are. Once you're ready, click OK to continue. After clicking OK, the selected script will run on the chart that is currently active. The result will depend on the script you've chosen. In some cases, you may notice changes on the chart immediately after the script runs. Other scripts may complete their task without making obvious changes to the chart itself. If you do not notice any visible result after running the script, you can check the tabs located at the bottom of the MetaTrader 5 platform. Open the Experts tab or the Journal tab to view any messages related to the script. These tabs can show whether the script completed successfully or if there were any messages generated while it was running. Whenever you want to run another script, repeat the same process. Go back to the Insert menu, select Scripts, choose the script you want from the list, review the settings if a window appears, and click OK to run it on your active chart. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can add and run scripts in MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.